This video is for informational purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Ever wondered how blockchains get real-world data? Enter Chainlink and Oracle technology, the crucial bridge connecting the isolated world of blockchains to the vast ocean of external information. In the context of blockchain, an oracle is a third-party service that supplies smart contracts with information from the outside world. Blockchains are isolated and deterministic systems, meaning they cannot natively access data that exists off-chain, outside their network. Oracles are crucial because many smart contract agreements require relevant external data to trigger their execution. For instance, a smart contract designed to automatically purchase bitcoins at a specific price would rely on an off-chain oracle to continuously monitor the current exchange rate. Oracles are not the data source themselves. Instead, they query, verify, and authenticate external data sources and then relay this information to the blockchain. This data can come in various forms, such as price information, weather conditions, sports results, or even the completion of a transaction. While traditional oracles can be centralized, leading to potential issues like man-in-the-middle attacks or data manipulation, decentralized oracles enhance reliability. They achieve this by querying multiple data sources and distributing trust among participants, minimizing single points of failure. Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain oracle network established in 2017 by co-founders Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis. They co-authored a white paper introducing the Chainlink protocol alongside Cornell University professor Ari Jules, with the network officially launching in 2019. Chainlink's core mission is to enable universally connected smart contracts by providing a secure and reliable way for them to interact with off-chain data and systems. The Link token is the native cryptocurrency of the Chainlink network, an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum network with an additional ERC-223 function. This enables a transfer and call feature for smart contract communication, incentivizing data accuracy and maintaining contract stability. Link tokens reward node operators for their work in validating transactions and providing data services, requiring them to stake Link to participate. Those with higher stakes are more likely to be chosen to provide requested data, ensuring a robust and reliable network. The total supply of Link tokens is capped at 1 billion, with approximately 700 million currently in circulation. Chainlink operates through a decentralized network of independent node operators. When a user requires off-chain data, they submit a request. The network then selects a node to fetch the external data, which is then transmitted to the blockchain via a smart contract. This process ensures data accuracy and consistency through various verification mechanisms, minimizing the risk of manipulation. Key features of the Chainlink network include the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, or CCIP. CCIP allows developers to build secure applications capable of transferring tokens, messages, or both across different blockchain networks. It acts as a universal standard for secure cross-chain communication, unifying the multi-chain ecosystem much like TCP/IP unified the early internet. Another key feature is the verifiable random function, or VRF, which provides a provably fair and verifiable random number generator for smart contracts. True randomness is essential for applications requiring unpredictable outcomes, like gaming and NFTs, and VRF ensures results cannot be tampered with. Finally, Chainlink automation allows smart contracts to automate various tasks and functions, such as triggering actions based on specific conditions. Chainlink's Oracle technology has a wide range of applications across various industries, including decentralized finance, or DeFi. It provides critical data feeds for lending platforms, stablecoins, and derivatives trading, ensuring accurate collateral valuations and maintaining peg stability. Chainlink VRF is instrumental in creating dynamic NFTs and fair gaming experiences, from minting rare in-game items to distributing random rewards. In insurance, Chainlink enables blockchain-based products that can automate claims processing, like parametric insurance for weather conditions or flight delays. Other use cases include supply chain management, real-world asset tokenization, and providing external data for DAO governance decisions. The benefits of using Chainlink are substantial, including enhanced security, reliability, and widespread adoption across major projects. Its decentralized nature and robust architecture ensure high availability and resistance to single points of failure, making it a trusted solution. Chainlink truly connects smart contracts to the real world, unlocking their full potential. This is for education only, not investment advice. Do your own research. Like and subscribe for more blockchain insights.
If you want more crypto updates, market analysis, and breaking news, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.